All right, Vikes, let's start by logging into our portal. So first, you'll notice I am in a Google Chrome browser. We have found that Google Chrome is the most efficient for Canvas and Zoom to work properly. Start by going to portal.dusd.net. After you type that in the search bar, let it load, and then you'll notice it's going to ask you to sign in with your Downey USD account. Your account is always your student ID number at student.dusd.net with your password as your first initial, last initial, and your birthday. This may pop up and ask you if you would like to stay signed into your account. I'm going to click yes. I would like the browser to remember who I am and what my password is. Then let your portal load. You'll notice these are all of the apps that are supported by Downey Unified. Some important ones to point out are the Outlook app, which is your student email, the Canvas app, which is where you'll find all of your classes. You'll also notice next to the Q, and yours will say Student Connection. This is where you can check your grades and your official schedule and email all of your teachers directly. Today, we're going to focus on the Zoom app. So please go ahead and click on the Zoom app. After the Zoom tab opens, you're going to want to click Sign In. Go ahead and click Sign In. Once you click, let it load. It again may ask you to log in with your Downey Unified credentials. Mine, because my computer remembered me, is not asking me to log in. I'm automatically logged in under my ksimpson at dusd.net. I know that because if I go up here to the right-hand corner and click on this little picture of me throwing up the Vike vibe, you'll notice that it has my dusd.net password. This is exactly where I want to be. Leave the Zoom tab. Go back to your portal tab. And find the Canvas app. Now, because you've already logged into Zoom, you are easily able to click on Canvas, find your teacher, and log into their Zoom meeting in order to have class. We know it's been difficult, Vikes. We know there have been bumps along the way, but we know that you can do it. Stay strong, continue to reach out for help when you need it, and we're here when you need us. Remember, make it a great day or not, Vikes. The choice is yours. See ya.